Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Welcome to my channel Incremental Nova. Today I have this case for iPhone. This is from Casely, and these are supposed to be one of the best cases for protecting your phone. On the back of this case, as you can see, it highlights that it can withstand 8 feet drop protection, precise cutouts, ultra raised lip, and designed in New York. That's fine. And it has this dual layer shell design and shock absorbing air pockets, and on the sides you have this non-slip ribbed grip. So overall this product is really good. I ordered two of these and the price on these ones is $25 a piece, and for $25 I think they provide really good protection. Let me do unboxing of this case and show you what are the contents of this box. So as you can see, first of all, what we get in the box is obviously the case. Let me take it out. Yeah, so this is the case. Let's see what else. It also comes with this card. Let review that later. And it comes with this piece of stickers. I've already used one sticker. I'll show you that. This is really good touch. They give you really good stickers that you can put on your laptop or MacBook. Coming back to the case. So this case is actually made really well. As you can see, the inside has this textured look. It feels like a mix of plastic and rubber. On the side, for extra grip, you have this rib design, and on the back it's a hard rubberized kind of case, so it provides really good protection. Let me put it on my iPhone and show you. So this is how it looks on the iPhone, and as you can see, the raised lip will protect the screen and it protects your phone from all sides. It has very good design, and on these corners, as you would see, there is a air design that will be good for shock absorbing. And as they mentioned, this case can withstand 8 feet of drop. 8 feet is more than good enough for normal human beings. You won't be dropping it from more than 8 feet. So this is a really good case if you're in the market to get a case for your iPhone 12 or 13 or any iPhone. Basically, this is a really good value for money. Go ahead. This is recommended from Incremental Nova, and this video is not sponsored in any way, so feel free to not buy this product. And I've also ordered this glass screen protector from Casely. I will be putting it on my iPhone and will be doing a review for that after few days, after using it for a few days. So please subscribe to my channel for getting my views on that one. And if you like the content of this video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye.